Module 2. Branding and positioning your artisan business online. Module Overview Module 2 focuses on the essential concepts of branding and positioning for artisan businesses in the digital space. Branding goes beyond just a logo or product. It represents the identity, values, and story of an artisan business. Positioning, on the other hand, is about how your brand is perceived by your target audience relative to competitors. This module equips artisans with the knowledge and practical skills to establish a strong online presence, communicate their unique value, and create a compelling brand identity that resonates with customers. 1. Understanding branding in the context of artisans. Branding is the process of creating a unique identity for your business and differentiating your products from others. For artisans, branding is critical because handcrafted or bespoke products rely heavily on storytelling. Customers are often attracted to the narrative behind the product, its origin, or the artisan's journey. Visual identity, logos, color schemes, typography, and design aesthetics that reflect the artisan's style and quality. Consistency, uniform messaging across social media, websites, packaging, and offline interactions. Trust and credibility. Strong branding conveys professionalism and builds confidence in customers. Key components of branding for artisans. Brand name, memorable, easy to spell, and reflective of the craft or style. Logo and visual identity. Professional design elements that symbolize your brand. Tagline or slogan. A short, impactful phrase that communicates your brand promise. 2. Positioning your artisan business. Online positioning is about how your brand is perceived in the minds of your target audience. Effective positioning ensures your products stand out in a crowded marketplace. Key steps to effective positioning. Identify your target audience. Understand who your ideal customers are, their interests, needs, and purchasing behaviors. Analyze competitors. Examine how similar artisan businesses are marketing their products and find gaps or opportunities. Unique value proposition, UVP. Clearly articulate what makes your products unique, whether it's quality, craftsmanship, materials, or design. Craft your brand. Message. Use consistent language and tone across all online platforms. Choose the right digital channels. Select platforms where your target audience is most active. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, or e-commerce marketplaces. 3. Visual branding for artisans. Visual branding is a critical aspect of positioning in the digital space. Customers often judge the quality of products based on images and videos online. Photography. High quality, well-lit, and aesthetically pleasing photos of your products. Videography. Short videos showing the creation process, usage, or behind-the-scenes work. Packaging design. Attractive, functional, and branded packaging that enhances the unboxing experience. Consistency. Across platforms, use the same colors, fonts, and style to reinforce brand recognition. 4. Crafting your online identity. Creating a strong online identity involves professional, social media profiles, optimized bios, profile pictures, and featured content. E-commerce store, branding, product pages, descriptions, images, and branding that reflect quality. Engaging content, regular updates, stories, and posts that resonate with your audience. Authenticity, showcase the artisan's journey, inspiration, and craftsmanship to connect emotionally with customers. 5. Outcomes of Module 2. By the end of this module, you will be able to define branding and positioning in the context of artisan businesses, identify and analyze target audiences and competitors, develop a unique value proposition for their products, create consistent visual and narrative branding across online platforms, build trust, credibility, and a strong emotional connection with customers. 6. Practical exercise. Draft a brand statement for your artisan business in 2 to 3 sentences. Identify 3 key characteristics that make your products unique. Take 3 product photos using your phone or camera, focusing on lighting, angle, and background. Create a short brand story paragraph, 100 to 150 words, describing your inspiration, materials, or cultural significance.